Let's see how we go on doing these other ones, hopefully get done in this video. So the second question here is using the f of x notation, which means that I'm going to be consistent with that as I go through the problem. So first things first, I'm going to write u of x equals e to the 3x, which means u dash x will just be 3e to the 3x, remembering that we just take the derivative of the power out the front. And I can say that v of x is equal to sine of 3x minus 1. So that means that v dash x is going to be 3 cos of 3x minus 1. And putting it all into the rule, f dash x equals u of x times v dash x plus v of x times u dash x. That's going to give us e to the 3x multiplied by 3 cos 3x take 1 plus v of x, which is sine of 3x take 1 multiplied by 3e to the 3x. And tidying that up gives, now this 3 multiplies with this, so it's going to be 3e to the 3x cos 3x minus 1 plus, and I multiply that, put it at the front, 3e to the 3x sine 3x minus 1. Now again, you could take out a common factor there, but there's no need, that would just be additional engagement. Righto, so I'm going to get stuck into this third one now. Hopefully I'll have time in this video. Just see how we go. So first things first, I'm going to write u equals cos x and v equals the square root of x cubed minus 1. So du dx, that's a pretty nice one to calculate. It's just going to be negative sine x. But this one here is going to be a little bit more tricky, and I'm going to just use the chain rule just to be careful with it. So I'm going to first off write it as v equals x cubed minus 1 to the power of a half. So dv dx is equal to half of x cubed minus 1 to the power of negative half, and that needs to be multiplied by the derivative of the inner function, which is just 3x squared. So that's going to give 3x squared over, I'm going to move this here into the denominator, so it's 2 times the square root of x cubed minus 1. Okay, so next thing is to write the rule. dy dx equals u dv dx plus v du dx. And sub in everything that we know. So u is cos x multiplied by dv dx, which is 3x squared over 2 root x cubed minus 1 plus v, which is square root of x cubed minus 1 multiplied by du dx, which is negative sine x. And last thing is to simplify that a little bit. So that's equal to, probably not going to get much better than that, to be honest, 3x squared over the square root, it's 2 times the square root of x cubed minus 1 cos x minus, because the negative will go out the front, and square root of x cubed minus 1 sine x. And that's it. Well, that's a pretty rough one, that last one, but as you can see, we just go through the usual steps and it all works out in the end. Anyway, that's all there is for the product rule. So we'll leave it there and pick up later with the quotient rule. Anyway, see you later.